My name is Mireia Aner. I am the VP Manufacturing Instituto Grifols in Parets del Vallès in Barcelona. I've been in the company since 2015. I'm in charge of the production of the medicines that we produce in Instituto Grifols and all the activities related since the plasma enters into the production area until the product is packed and ready to be sent to the distribution warehouse. It's a very challenging job, the fact that we need to ensure that we produce according to the quality regulations and also the relationship that we have with the different areas inside the company. We are able to carry out the project and to see the influence of this project in an efficiency or in an improvement in our production plan. The project that I am more proud of is the fact that we are able to implement new processes for producing new medicines which were not produced here in Instituto before. Actually, we started production in a new area in January, and we were able to finalize all the activities previous to this implementation. We have a team working on this, and the results are good, and the product is going in the market. The best part of working in Grifols is the fact that we are a big team, a very diverse team. We have people which is more experienced and which is more technical. And also we have young people which is more focused in innovative things. And the fact that this diverse group is working together as a team is very enriching for the company. And I think this is our power.